Welcome to your channel Rayofhope, and this is going to be another class for our web application penetration testing. Today we will start from Reflected XSS and we'll cover all the labs, right? And this is going to be the first labs for Reflected XSS. First and foremost, we are not just going to solve the lab by providing or giving with us just a script, right? But we will get to know why exactly this happened, right? The lab itself says reflected XSS into HTML context with nothing encoded. Basically, within HTML tag, it is getting executed without any encoding, right? So if I use, if I can just say Control U, this is how the search function looks like. Or if I just do search ABC and hit enter, zero result for ABC. So this is the basically user input, right? Where there, whatever search we are providing, actually it is getting reflected, which means basically we can try the XSS over here. But I want to see the source code. Is it getting into source code as well? If I put like ABC and search, yes, there you go. It is getting between HTML tag, right? It is getting between HTML tag. So I wanted to check over here. If I provide a XSS script, actually, will it get executed? Let's do that. If I do script alert, Rayofhope, and then close the script and search for it, we got the reflection, right? That means we got the error, and it says that application is vulnerable for reflected XSS, right? But why did it happen? If I go ahead and do Control U again and Control F and search Rayofhope, this is where it is. Our script is getting executed, means there is no proper input sanitizations actually, right? And even if you look at, it is getting executed within a HTML tag. So even if it is opening over here, it is not getting closed over here, right? So the HTML tag is accepting it as a script itself, right? Therefore this vulnerability happened, right? So if you ask what are the mitigation would be, like you can implement CSP headers, you can implement inline script. Like over here it happened because it is getting it inline, right? Therefore it happened. So you can implement self and inline script, which is a CSP, and then you can do a input validation and sanitizations, and you can implement firewall too. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.